Imagine watching a giant star in the night sky, then suddenly it vanishes. No explosion, no bright flash, just darkness. Could a star really collapse into a black hole in less than a second? Surprisingly, the answer is yes, but this can happen only to extremely massive stars. When a star has more than 20 times the mass of the Sun, its final moments become incredibly violent and fast. For millions of years, nuclear fusion inside the star pushes outward. This pressure balances gravity and keeps the star stable. But eventually, the star runs out of nuclear fuel. At that moment, something critical happens inside the core. Iron begins to dominate the core, unlike lighter elements. Iron fusion does not produce energy, so the outward pressure that once supported the star suddenly disappears. Gravity instantly takes over. The star's core collapses catastrophically. This collapse happens extremely fast. The core can shrink in only 0.1 to 0.5 seconds. During this moment, matter can fall inward at nearly 25% of the speed of light. The density becomes so extreme that gravity traps everything nearby. Even light can no longer escape. At that moment, a boundary forms around the collapsed core. Astronomers call this boundary the event horizon. Once this horizon forms, the star's core has officially become a black hole. In most cases, the collapsing star produces a powerful supernova explosion. The outer layers of the star blast into space while the core becomes a black hole. But sometimes, something much stranger happens. The star collapses directly into a black hole. Without a bright explosion, astronomers call this a failed supernova. In these rare events, the star simply fades away and disappears. In 2015, astronomers observed a red supergiant star, about 13 times the mass of the Sun, slowly dimming. Then it vanished completely. Scientists believe it likely collapsed directly into a black hole, even though the core collapse happens in less than a second. The outer layers of the star may continue falling inward for years. Sometimes this material can keep collapsing for decades. And from far away, the event looks even stranger. Because of relativity, the star appears to slow down near the event horizon. Its light becomes redder, dimmer, and gradually fades away, until it disappears completely. A massive star can live for millions of years. But its final transformation from star to black hole can happen in less than a second, which raises an incredible possibility. Right now, somewhere in the universe, a giant star might be silently collapsing and turning into a black hole.